Hi everyone, welcome to Become an AI Product Builder, Become an AI Product Designer, whatever this course is called at the time. I'm so excited to have you here. Before we get started, a bit about me. I have been building AI powered products for almost 6 years, working on products that solve people problems using artificial intelligence. And a lot of the products that I've worked on are 0 to 1, super innovative, whether it's taking an existing model and creating that into a product that would bring some difference into people's lives, or working closely with research scientists to create new models that will solve problems in more innovative ways for problems that we see but don't see any solutions for or don't see any technology for. And so a lot of the work I do is working very closely with ML researchers, engineers, product builders, and trying to figure out how we're going to build an AI powered product that is both innovative but also useful for people. So, why did I build this course? Well, there's a couple of reasons. About last year, as the AI industry started to boom and more people became interested in the power of artificial intelligence, it became really clear that there's a couple of things that need to happen in order to address the gap and for us to start building really great products. Number one, more people need to understand what AI is, how AI works, and how to actually use it. Not just your day-to-day workflow, but how do you apply AI in the right ways in your product. And so I'm quite passionate about helping people understand all that knowledge base that's needed in order to start building in this space. And with that comes a lot of unknown. So even within the teams that I run, there's a lot of unknowns around how do you work with an ML engineer? How do you get through the black box of things and try to understand what is happening with a large language model? And how can you build interfaces around that will actually help the user gain more control in the output that they want to achieve. And so these are all the things that, it requires a lot of practice when building AI powered products to understand, so then you can then apply to the product that you want to build. This course would create the foundation for you to get all that knowledge and experience so that when you do enter an AI team, or if you are in an AI team, you can lead and build with confidence. So that's one of the things that I'm really passionate about addressing as a gap, so we can get more people into this space sooner rather than later. The second reason I wanted to start this course is because I think that in order to truly build great AI powered products, we need to be thinking not just holistically, but we need to be thinking really innovatively with these patterns. Last year was the year of models and figuring out how we can build better and better models. While that still is happening, the era of what differentiates one product from another is actually the interface of it. It's not just the model, but it's the combination of model and UX that makes a product stand apart. And so how do you design for experiences like these? Existing patterns can only go so far, especially when you're using technology that is so different with generative AI specifically. So we need to build more net new patterns that are built for AI first products. And, similarly happened when we moved from web to mobile. You can't use the same patterns you use on web on mobile. We had to learn a whole new design language in order to express and build the right types of products. And the same thing is happening with AI. And I'm not seeing enough products innovate here. We're all sort of learning together. But in my class, I teach different frameworks that will help you think more creatively and innovate for whatever product you're building and come up with net new patterns that will hopefully help you shape the future of what AI powered products will be like. And the last thing is that in the course of the time that I've taught this class, there's actually a lot of engineers and product managers and other roles in addition to product designers taking the course. While this course was primarily built for product designers, I'm realizing that people are wanting to blur the lines between their roles. A product designer wants to learn how to code because now you can. You can build AI prototypes using so many of the tools out there. A product manager wants to learn how to design so they can build better PRDs and they can build better products and they can move faster. An engineer also wants to learn how the design patterns and different things work so that they can prototype and they can build and ship faster. And so that's why this course, maybe it's called How to Become an AI Product Builder, maybe it's called How to Become an AI Product Designer, but it's essentially helping people in this course understand what is AI, how to use it, how do you actually use its superpowers and skills to build a really interesting product. And we will go through this whole process together end to end. Most of the students taking this class, they're not sure what to expect. And so I kind of want to break it down what you can expect in this class. In week 1, we will be covering fundamentals of what AI is, all the terminology that you need to learn, all the different frameworks that you need to know how to learn, and all the skills and soft skills and habits you need to build in order to be successful in AI product teams. We will also kick off a brainstorm or a workshop where we will get to ideate on one AI powered product that you're going to work on through the rest of the class. And this is super exciting because a lot of the people that are in this course end up loving the concepts that they're building and even go on to make it a reality after the course, which is awesome. In week 2 and 3, we'll be covering AI powered product patterns, challenges with existing patterns, what are the new patterns on the horizon, what are incoming trends that you need to be aware of, ethics, regulations, lots more there. I'm sure I'm missing things. And then in the 4th and 5th week, we will be focusing on learning from other industry experts that I'll bring into the class. We will critique different projects, really working on the interaction design of it. Whether you're a designer or a product manager or engineer, it doesn't really matter because there's enough tools out there to help you feel comfortable with this process. And we will focus on storytelling. How do you pitch your product? How do you work with stakeholders? And how do you showcase to the users and the world what the value of your AI powered product is? And so by the end of this course, you will have a product concept that you're excited about wanting to build. You're not going to have a portfolio ready project. I would encourage people, especially designers, to spend more time refining the product after the class because 4 weeks is not enough to really build a great product when you're learning so much new stuff. Most importantly, you will be very, very comfortable with building in an AI team, joining an AI team, in applying to AI companies, because you'll have gained this unique set of knowledge that only I think is possible is if you are working in the space or if you are learning from someone who has the experience. So that's everything about the course. That's what you can expect. There are 2 tiers of courses that I'm offering, and one of them is a full real-time cohort style experience where I will be teaching through live classes. We will do live workshops. You'll have access to me one-on-one. There will be lots of other students live in the classes and in-person time as we go through these projects and complete them together. It is intensive, but it is built for busy working professionals. But there is a limited number of times that I offer this course, mainly because I also work in AI and balancing both is really hard. And I want to make sure that people gain a lot of benefit and value from this course, even when I'm unable to teach. So for that reason, I've created an offline course. This offline course is instantly available to you. It's all the same content and material as the online cohort class. However, it does not have the same community feel and the one-on-one interaction with me, so no feedback and critique from the projects that I'll be running. However, you'll have access to all the content, all the projects, and then if you wanted to, there are options to find ways to chat with me one-on-one, but those will be add-ons. And so that's basically the 2 courses. The content is very robust, very intense, and I'm sure no matter which of the 2 packages you sign up for, you'll find them very valuable. If you're looking for something more specific, for example, if your company or team wants a more private cohort, please reach out and I would be happy to figure something out with you. But in the meantime, I hope that answers all of the questions that you have about how to become an AI product builder, how to become an AI product designer, and I am really excited to have you on this journey. The students come through this class, the level of creativity that I've seen, the ideas that people have been developing in the class, and even just seeing that there's all these designers and product builders out there who are interested in honing their craft and building out their skills. It's just so inspiring to me that people want to invest in themselves like that. So please keep it up. The very fact that you're here and considering this course means you're one of those people. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And that's it. I hope to see you in one of the future classes. Bye.